are uncertain times, a time where concerns are real, a time where uncertainty has taken the place of our security. We're facing a multitude of unseen enemies in ongoing battles we're not even aware of. If only we could limit cross-contamination. If only we had a means of protecting our homes, our families, our loved ones, our employees, our elderly. Viruses and bacteria contaminate our surroundings, and we cannot with peace of mind say we are winning the war. Or can we? Introducing BioProtect, the protection you need. BioProtect offers us the ability to combat viruses and bacteria. It has large spectrum performance, efficient against a large array of viruses, bacteria, molds, mildew, algae, and fungus. Residual long-term efficacy, persistently and continuously protects surfaces for up to 90 days and hands up to 6 hours. Unrivaled safety profile. Water-based formula uses zero triclosan, heavy metals or poisons. Unmatched versatility, can be applied to a wide variety of porous and non-porous surfaces. BioProtect is an EPA-registered water-based antimicrobial technology that provides persistent and continuous protection. It forms a covalent bond with the substrate and creates a microbiostatic antimicrobial coating. The coating forms a nano-bed shield, the protection we need. BioProtect yourself today.